Welcome to Rad-Customs, specializing in premium custom-made motocross, enduro, and BMX racewear, with a fast 2 to 5 day turnaround. Our products include fully customizable MX kits in original Cordura materials, or maybe try the new MX Stretch Fit materials, and also BMX kits, hoodies, body warmers, gloves, bibs, vests, cycling shirts and shorts, and even goggle straps. We also offer team and retro designs at discounted prices, with options for personalized names and numbers. Rad-Customs emphasizes quality, durability, and rider identity, making gear that's race-ready and stylish, designed to withstand intense racing conditions. Rad products are shipped out on a next-day delivery, with a tracking number included. For more details, visit Rad-Customs.